Welcome to the setup tutorial for Call of Duty Cheats. Today what I'm going to show you is how to get into game in the most efficient way possible just after you've purchased. So without any further ado, please head over to the VIP forums to where you'll find a setup guide. Head down to step 1, and here what you need to do is download 3 things. You want to download DirectX, .NET frameworks, and then your graphics drivers to make sure they're up to date. After that's completed, you want to head down to step 2. This is to download the loader. Press the download button and save it to your download directory. Mine is on desktop, so what you want to do is create a new folder, rename the folder whatever you wish, and also you're going to need to rename the loader. The loader will not be able to run in default name, so you have to rename it. Then move your renamed loader into the folder you just created, and we'll leave that for the meantime. Now what you want to do is make sure your DEP, Data Execution Prevention, is turned off, or is in default. So you want to go Start, right click My Computer, Properties, Advanced System Settings, Performance Settings, Data Execution Prevention, and if yours is on Turn on DEP for essential Windows programs and services only, then there's nothing you need to change. Just click OK and exit out. The other thing for the Windows 7 and Vista users is you need to turn off your UAC. So if you go to Start, search, type UAC, change user account control settings, and bring the lever all the way down to Never Notify. Click OK. This will prompt you to restart your system. Don't restart your system yet, because there's other things you need to do which will require a restart as well. So now what we want to do is go and turn off your firewall. So control panel, system and security, Windows firewall, turn Windows firewall on or off, and as you can see mine is off. If yours is on, just go to turn off Windows firewall and click OK. The next thing we want to do is disable your Windows Defender. How you do that is open run, type in services.msc, OK, click on the name so it brings them all into alphabetical order. Go on down to Windows Defender, right click, properties, and startup type, just have it to disable. OK, and exit out. Basically, if you have an antivirus, some of the antivirus programs will detect the loader as a false positive. There's nothing inside the loader that is going to harm your computer, so what you need to do is disable your antivirus, download a fresh copy of the loader, and add the loader to the exceptions list, and then turn on your antivirus. This is only to some of the antiviruses that are a little bit overprotective and will detect it as a false positive. Once that's done, you're one step closer to get into game. The next thing you need to do is open the loader, right click on it, properties, compatibility, and run this program as an administrator. If your loader is still on desktop, what you need to do is remove it. So even to a different directory, as long as it's away from desktop. Once that's done, open up your loader. For the first time of opening your loader, it will say reboot your PC. All you need to do is reboot. This is going to reboot for all the changes you've made from the firewall, UAC, DEP, everything. So once you reboot, this error will not show. For this demonstration, I'm not going to reboot, so I'm just going to reopen the loader. Every time you open the loader, it will check for updates. And so that basically means if there is a new update for one of the cheats, you will not need to re-download the loader. It will automatically update within the loader. So what you want to do is first of all select COD cheats and then type in your username, case sensitive, or else you'll get not authorized. Please remember that you cannot use the loader on a different computer. It will get locked out and there will be a $10 reset fee. Click login. For this demonstration I'm going to use Modern Warfare 3, so that's COD 8. Press download. Once it says please start game now, what you want to do is start your game exe. For this demonstration I'm not going to open it. For the very first time whenever you open the game, basically what's going to happen is there's going to be an error message comes up saying that you need to install the driver. This is for the extra security precautions. So click OK. Your system will restart and then that will install the driver. You'll never have to do that again, so it's only a one-off thing. Once you restart and go back into game, and you inject, there will be a watermark at the top of the screen saying www.callofdutycheats.com. This will indicate that the hack has injected, and what you need to do is press your delete key to open the menu and access all your functions. I'll see you on the battlefield.